Hey guys, it's Meg, and I just wanted to update you, kind of hit on three big topics for this week and touch base with you a little bit. First off, if you are having any trouble with anything, please make sure you are reaching out to Lisa and or myself. We are happy to help you, and communication is key during a time like this, so be sure you can reach out to us and let us know what's happening if you are having any trouble with anything. This week we have a ton of stuff due, as you will for the next couple of weeks because class is almost done. Woohoo! We officially end the course on the 27th, so 2 weeks, less than 2 weeks left. Big news, 11:59 is now the due time for all assignments moving forward. Some of you said that you were having trouble getting things in by that 5:30 time frame. So we have moved back the time frame to 11:59 to give you the evening to work on things as well. Another big change, the Maricopa Community Colleges has decided to move to a PZ, which is credit, no credit, or a letter grade option for the remainder of the semester. So those of you who would like to continue to get a letter grade, you still have that option. And I would encourage most of you who think you are going to get an A or a B in this class to stay with a letter grade or the A through F grading scale. Those of you who've been maybe struggling a little bit, a credit, no credit would probably be a better option for you. So we have a list of ideas or reasons to kind of help you justify your choice. There is a little quiz. There is a ton of information. If you click here, it will redirect you to the student policies and procedures around COVID-19 for all of Maricopa Community Colleges, and there's a bunch of information there as well for you. So if you have more questions about that. But basically the quiz is one question. I prefer to be graded on the following grade scale, and you will make that choice either A through F or pass, fail, or credit, no credit is how we phrase that. So you guys make that choice and make sure you let us know. Complete this quiz by the 20th at 11:59. Okay. So that was the other kind of big thing. That's big news. So the change in time of assignments being due, making sure you pay attention to your pass-fail quiz and completing that. And then also just working on all the stuff that is due this week. You have a bunch of stuff due. If you have questions or need any help with anything, make sure you are reaching out to Lisa or I. Exam number 2 has been broken down into 3 separate parts, so they're a little bit easier to tackle online. And then your VO2 final paper, which is due on Monday, make sure you get your feedback from Lisa on that assignment number 4 that you turned in this week before you turn in your final draft. Okay, and then just a little bit of extra credit as an option for those of you who are actually watching this announcement. As you know, in class we've talked several times about how I have a 2-year-old and he likes to tell all of these little kid jokes. So I have a joke for you. My joke this week is, why are fish so smart? Because they live in schools. Will, I know you are laughing at that for me. So I hope, even though it's crazy and you're all nuts with this self-quarantine and such, I hope you all are still enjoying a little bit of laughter. So for 10 extra credit points, if you would like to, you may send myself, so send it to Meg, a joke. Please make sure it is appropriate. Send me a joke or maybe a funny meme you've seen or something funny that's happened in quarantine to you, or something to make us all laugh a little bit. And I'll share those with the class next week. But so 10 extra credit points if you send a joke. I know y'all can use it. A little bit of time to be laughing. So I hope you all have a great week. Stay healthy and make sure you are reaching out to Lisa or I if you have any questions at all. And then just one more thing, workout number 2, those reflection papers have been graded. Y'all did a really good job on those. Please make sure you just view your feedback. And if you have any questions about the specific feedback I gave you, just reach out to me. Have a great week.